9 Best Induction Cooktops in India 2019. Prestige Pick 3.1 V3 2000 Watt Induction Cooktop. Prestige is the largest selling Indian brand of induction cooktops. It has the distinction of being India's first intelligent induction cooktop. Some of the innovative features are the automatic whistle that senses the pressure cooker activity and switches to keep the food warm for extended periods. Prestige Pick 3.1 V3 2000 Watt Induction Cooktop. You have other fantastic features like the anti-magnetic wall, soft touch buttons, and Prestige's renowned after-sales service. This appliance has a pressure cooker whistle sensor that counts the number of whistles and then goes to the automatic keep warm mode. It saves you a lot of time and power. The Indian menu options help you to prepare Indian foods like chapatis, idlis, curries, and dosas. The timer function enables the induction cooktop to start cooking at the present cooking mode. The dual heat sensors ensure that the appliance heats up within the permissible safety band. It prevents your induction cooktop from overheating. This induction cooktop comes with a fully digital control panel. It adjusts the power and temperature depending on the food, thereby ensuring efficient cooking. Preeti Trendy Plus 116/1600 Watt Induction Cooktop. Preeti is another popular Indian brand, especially in the smaller cities and towns of India. The one-touch menu is the highlight of this product. It has a significant heating base for accommodating vessels with a broad base. There are many more attractive features of this appliance. Let us look at some of them. Preeti Trendy Plus 116/1600 Watt Induction Cooktop. This product comes with a high-quality ceramic plate to withstand high temperature. The pre-programmed settings include an automatic shut-off feature, thereby ensuring the system consumes less power in comparison to others. Preeti induction cooktops transfer 84% of heat to the cooking vessel while minimizing the heat loss. It helps in reducing the cooking time. Preeti has the distinction of introducing pre-programmed Indian menus such as gravy, chapati, idlis, dosas, and so on. This cooktop is a long-lasting one as it comes equipped with high-grade electrical features to protect it against short circuits. The 1-year warranty makes it a reliable induction cooktop. Pebbles Instacook PT 1600 Watt Induction Cooktop. Pebbles is another reputed manufacturer of home appliances in India. The benefit of buying Pebbles products is that they cater to Indian requirements. The Instacook Induction Cooktop is one such kitchen appliance. Here are some useful features of the Pebbles Induction Cooktop. Pebbles Instacook PT 1600 Watt Induction Cooktop. This induction cooktop comes with 6 preset cooking menu controls that make cooking very convenient. The soft touch panel ensures that water does not enter the delicate parts of the machine, thereby increasing its longevity. The advanced LED display shows the status of your settings. This product comes with an auto pan detection and auto power off feature that shuts the appliance when you forget to switch it off and remove the cooking vessel. It is easy to set the timer and go on with your other chores as you cook your food. Prestige Pick 6.0 V3 2000 watt induction cooktop. People like to have their food warm. Prestige has responded to such calls and has incorporated unique features into their latest induction cooktop models. One such feature is the automatic keep warm function that helps in keeping the food hot at all times. Prestige Pick 6.0 V3 2000 watt induction cooktop with touch. Prestige has designed this induction cooktop to cater to the preparation of Indian dishes like idlis, dosas, chapatis, and so on. The automatic voltage regulator takes care of the voltage fluctuations. This facility also ensures that the appliance carries the load gradually, thereby improving its performance. Prestige has incorporated the power saver technology that checks the power and controls the heat level according to the size of the vessel. Another unique feature of this induction cooktop is that it has two heat sensors. These sensors ensure maximum heat and prevent overheating, thereby saving electricity. Prestige Pick 15.0 plus 1900 watt induction cooktop. Prestige kitchen appliances suit the Indian kitchen perfectly. It explains why you have a plethora of Prestige devices in the kitchen. The Prestige induction cooktop is a perfect example of the popularity of the company's products in India. These products come with a variety of advanced features, some of which are as follows. Prestige Pick 15.0 plus 1900 watt induction cooktop. Performance-wise, this induction cooktop is an excellent one. Looks-wise, this appliance is a great one as well. The sleek and stylish design is the highlight of this cooktop. The feather touch buttons enable smooth operations. The concealed buttons increase the longevity of the cooktop as water does not enter the circuits accidentally. The automatic voltage regulator protects the appliance from electrical surges. The highlight of the design is that it has inbuilt protection against kitchen insects like cockroaches. The preset Indian menu settings enable you to cook faster and better. Pigeon by Stovekraft Cruise 1800-watt induction cooktop. The younger generation is more comfortable using the induction cooktop technology as opposed to the LPG gas stoves. Hence, you see a lot of youngsters opting for these cooktops. It has thus become an essential ingredient in every kitchen today. Pigeon by Stovekraft Cruise 1800-watt induction cooktop. Switching over to a healthier mode of cooking is possible because of the induction cooking technology. Pigeon Induction Cooktop is one of the safest induction cooktops available on the market. Let us browse through the exciting features of this induction cooktop. The 7 segments LED display presents a natural selection of menus, thereby enabling hassle-free cooking, and the feather touch buttons ensure that water does not enter the inner parts of the appliance. The preset menus enable you to cook Indian recipes with ease. The dual heat sensor technology makes this induction cooktop an efficient one. The high-grade electrical parts ensure protection against short circuits. Philips Viva Collection HD 493801-2100 watt induction cooktop. Philips has a reputation for manufacturing state-of-the-art kitchen appliances. This induction cooktop is one of the better Philips products you can see in the kitchen. Using this cooktop is easy. Philips Viva Collection Watt Induction Cooktop. There is no need for any installation as you plug the appliance into the socket. The sensor touch keys add a touch of elegance while enhancing your controlling aspects at the same time. Here are some of the fascinating features of this induction cooktop. Setting the timers for cooking is easy as you have 10 preset menus for Indian recipes. This appliance comes with a 24-hour preset timer function for delayed cooking. The high-quality glass panel and the sensor touch keys offer an enhanced experience, and the auto-off feature ensures a high degree of safety. This appliance is an eco-friendly one. Prestige Pick 1200 watt induction cooktop with push button. Prestige is a renowned name in the kitchen appliances manufacturing industry. Every Indian kitchen would have at least one Prestige product in the kitchen. This appliance has become a necessity in the kitchen when you consider the rising prices of LPG over the years. These are some of the exciting features of the Prestige Pick 20 induction cooktop. The electromagnetic technology hastens the cooking, thereby ensuring the homemaker a lot of comforts. You can use a variety of flat-bottomed vessels on this induction cooktop. This appliance has easy-to-understand cooking controls that even a child can master in quick time, and the elegant design makes this kitchen appliance a treat to look. The power saver technology ensures the monitoring of the temperature of the vessel and adjusts the power level based on the size of the vessel. Prestige has manufactured this induction cooktop explicitly keeping the Indian cooking patterns in mind. The automatic voltage regulator protects the appliance from electrical surges. This induction cooktop has a digital control panel. It switches off automatically if you do not use it for a specific period. One of the most significant advantages is the easy maintenance.
LG Ultra Dura Plus 1.25 liter wet grind.
The best aspect of these induction cooktops is that it does not require any installation. You can use them directly by plugging it into the electrical socket. The salient features of the Philips Viva Collection induction cooktop are as follows. Philips Viva Collection HD 4928. The electromagnetic induction technology ensures a high degree of heating efficiency as it cooks faster than an LPG stove. Also, this procedure seals the nutrition into the food, thereby preventing loss of vitamins. The appliance comes with a time setter that allows you to set time between 0 and 3 hours. The ideal feature of this appliance is that Philips has programmed this device for Indian use. The touch panel enables you to control the cooking easily, and cooking is faster when you use the induction cooktop as compared to the LPG stove. Philips cares about the environment. Hence, they have designed this product as eco-friendly.